Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing OG Fun Monkey Horror. So let's go. And also, shout out to Yabi for being my 10th subscriber, by the way. Nice job on 422 subscribers. That's really good. I'm gonna subscribe right now. Okay, yeah, so shout out to Yabi for being my 10th subscriber. Let's go. Okay, so we should do run. Let's do run. Yeah, run is good. Okay, this is gonna be scary, guys. This is gonna be scary, chat. Yo, it's good, bro. I think we're cooked.
Right?
Oh, we're cooked. Oh, hell no.
Right?
Okay, come on, let's go.
Bro, why does the monster pop out the corner?
Bro, guys.
I've only seen that monster so far. I haven't seen any. Trust me.
Come on, bro.
All the monsters.
Come on, let's go. Actually, no, I'm going somewhere else.
No, monster, come on, we can go big.
I'm going this way, chat. Like, guys, come on, let's go.
I want to
Shoot, I might like it. Oh, no.
It ain't coming.
Okay, I'm redoing that. I just...
Yo, monster, turn around again if you want
I'm coming.
Let's go.
Alright, come on. We got this. Oh, shit.
I remember this bullshit.
Guys, come on, bro. It's not scary. Come on. Be a man. What? Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh, bro, how is he flying like that? What the heck? Yo, Red, how are you flying?
I remember this bullshit from yesterday.
Heck nah, bro. I'm going with the group, bro. How are they flying? What
We can go
the?
back for back.
Guys, come on. Let's go, guys. Come on. I think we're cooked. Come on, let's go. We gotta be a man.
survived in the goddamn.
Where are you guys running?
Where'd he go?
I don't know.
Like, me and this guy survived in
Let's
the
just go.
hallway.
Let's just go.
God, the thing's smart.
Guys, come on, bro. What you guys scared for? And how the frick is he so fast?
Guys, the monster disappeared. I think it's smaller.
Oh, he's right there. I trolled them,
It
bro.
isn't
I thought I could troll them.
He
disappeared.
do anything.
I thought I could troll them. Guys, run! I trolled them. Yo, he got so scared, bro. I just trolled him. Burr, baka-beep. Bro, he got so scared. Bro, he got so scared. Burr, baka-beep. Tra-la-leo, tra-la-la. We're so cooked. Oh, shoot! Go! Right there! I showed me to make you kill. I'm leaving, bro. This is too scary, bro. I'm gonna do something else. Burr, bada-beep. Okay, let's do sewers. Where's sewers at? Yeah, this is good. Frick, nah. I thought this would one. Hold up, guys. Hold up, my bad. Wait, guys, I'm gonna find a different one. Hallways. Let's do hallways.
Why'd you bring me here?
Shoot. Oh, I'm cooked. I can't go back now. Oh my god. No, guys, save me. Save me. Guys, save me.
Is it
Save
good?
me.
Alright.
Save No, guys, I'm actually scared.
I'm a bean.
I'm gonna go to the group.
Oh, it's not this way.
I swear,
Oh,
right, bro.
I scare you. I'm sorry. My bad.
I'm back. Oh my god, I was so scared, bro. I'm so scared. Alright, finally people are here, bro. Bro, where the monster at?
You all asleep?
Because if he isn't there, we can just go back.
Yo, wait, you know where the monster at?
He was
Oh shit, I turned off my flash.
Let's go back.
He's behind us. He's gonna touch us.
Hell, right here.
Oh, yeah.
Juke him. I juke him.
Where monster at?
It's this way.
Oh, I juke him. Haha, I juke
Red
red.
is so fast.
I juke
Red is so
red.
fast.
I juke red. I juke red. I juke him.
Hello, buddy, you know where the monster at?
Yo,
Oh,
chill.
my bad, bro.
Yo, chill. Juke him.
He's right there, guys! He's right there!
What?
Where?
I need to.
Bro, they actually fell for that.
Let me check.
I juked him. I juke red. Haha, I juke red. I juke
Where's
red.
the monster at?
I could beat him all
Please,
the way.
dear Lemon.
Red.
Where are you, my sweet Pookie Bear? Where's my sweet Pookie Bear at?
He's right behind us. Run.
Take him. He's over here. He's over there.
No,
I
he's
juke
not.
red. Haha.
He's telling
I
the truth.
juke
He's telling
red.
the truth. He's telling the truth.
I'll get you! Oh my god. This is I swear I hate these people, bro. I swear. No, don't go for me! You racist black. I'm shaking.
Get juked. Get
Oh my god,
I
bro!
juked him.
She's gone, let's go. They're gone.
Ding, 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 ding.
No, they're not gone. They're not gone.
You got you.
Oh, they are gone. Let's go. We good. But that was scary as hell, but we good.
I'm sorry.
But that was so scary, bro. He ain't gone. He ain't gone. He ain't gone. He ain't gone, guys.
That's so loud.
He ain't gone. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I swear, bro. Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. What? What?
Red.
Okay. Alexa. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, I'm ready. Okay. Yo, guys. I gotta go after like 5 minutes. Okay, guys? After 5 minutes, I'll post this stuff.
Ding, ding, ding.
Okay, we're almost there. Oh my god, you guys hear that? No, no! Save me! Save me! Save me! Save me! Save me! Save me! I swear, why are you coming here? I swear he goes through. freaking scary. Oh my god. Oh, I'm going back. I'm going back no matter what. I'm going back, gang. I'm going back. Gang. What's up, my fella? Bro, it was scary. He was chasing me like 24/7, bro. The hell's over here? Whoa!
He's down there, I think.
Yeah, he's over here, guys. He's over here. Just follow me. Guys, follow me.
Timothy. Timothy. Let me touch you.
Guys, follow me. He's over here.
Oh, Princess.
Guys, don't leave me alone. Come on, like.
I'm in the wall.
Guys, he's over here.
Get off the wall.
Green, you're good. You're good.
Okay, I'm good. I'm good. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Green, you're good to go. You're good. Yeah.
Wait, are you good?
No.
I'm on camera, bro. I'm on camera. I turned into a bean.
Guys, it's the beat. Watch out.
He's there.
Hold on, what?
Save me! Bro, freaking this, bro. I swear, why are you following me? I hope you get it. Dumbass. Yo, what's up, bro? Oh my god. Oh, hell no, hell no, hell no. Go back. We going back, gang. We going back. We be going back. We safe. We safe. We safe. We safe, chat. We safe.
Why is he at spawn?
I smell what does
I smell like
Bro, I smell like cheese right now.
You mad at a cat?
Bro, we safe. We safe.
How the fuck do you know what that smells
Oh no.
I can smell you.
like? Leave me alone.
Bro, this is scary. I'm done.
Smell my.
I'm done, bro. I'm done. 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 I'll give you a smoochie. Would you like a smoochie? Would you like a smoochie? Would you like a smoochie? Why is he like that, bro?
I can smell you.
Oh my god, that's scary.
I told you we needed more glitter.
I told you.
Okay, what the heck? We're turning right back.
Oh my god. I know. Come here.
No.
But guys, probably next video is probably a big scary, by the way.
What the hell?
What are you doing? 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 No, I'll smack this pussy. Of course they're going for me, bro. Get you. Get you. Loser. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I beat that guy like crazy, but we can't do anything against him. We can't. Can he get us when we're under here?
Watch this. Call me when you want. Call me when
No. No.
I'm tired. I'm tired, bro.
I'm not for you.
Chill, bro. Chill.
Let me up.
Oh, he
Let
just.
me up.
Oh,
Let me
oh,
up.
no, I'm not. Yo, what the heck?
Hey, but what the fuck was that? Bro, do that to me.
He's coming.
Where is he? Wait, bro.
He's over there! He's over there! No, he's not.
6, 7.
Green, I can smell you.
Yeah, who
I
you
can
boy?
smell
Guys,
you.
where is he, dude?
But
I can
actually,
smell
what the heck is this guy
Hey, man,
doing?
shut the fuck up. I can smell you, too.
I can smell you.
6, 7.
I can smell
What the frick?
Darling.
I'm ready.
I'm in the line. Open it up. Open it up.
Is he coming?
No. No.
Come on, little kid. I'm using.
Yo, guys. Oh, shit.
I'm mods.
What did you say? He said that.
I juke you.
Oh my God, I just hit the crazy wall.
I juke you. I juke you.
But where's he
I
at?
juke you.
Where's
Where's the boat talking
No! Run! He's over there!
You see my face?
Yeah!
I juke you, little bro. But what's little bro talking about? What's little bro talking about?
Guys, what is that?
What is this?
Hello, Mary Steven.
They're stairs.
No, don't go
Steven,
at me, boy.
Steven
here.
No, you're just
Steven here.
modding.
Steven here, guys.
No,
It's me, Steven.
Oh no!
Oh yeah, Blue can't get me.
I'm gonna go.
Almost just fell down again.
Oh, shoot.
Blue can't get me. Blue can't get me.
name is Steven.
He scared me, bro. He scared me, bro.
How are you?
He scared me.
Hello,
He scared me.
Where's the monster?
He scared me, bro.
How are you? Running. Steven here.
Where's Blue at?
Hello.
I can smell you.
Gosh, Blue is such a creepy, sneaky,
Hey,
bro.
I'm doing business
Blue
here.
is such a creepy, sneaky. Where you at? Where Blue at? Where Blue at?
Whoa, hey,
Where Blue at? Where Blue at?
Right here.
I said, he's behind me.
Right here. Juke you.
Oh, I heard him out.
Dang God.
Hey, wait,
Steven never died.
shut the fuck up.
Okay, that's not Blue. That's not Blue. Where Blue?
Yo, let me see your drip.
Tired, bro. This kid can't get tired. Where do you go? Where do you go?
My booty.
Where do you go? 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 Where the blue go? Where the blue go? Where the blue go? Guys, where the blue go? Where the blue go? Where the blue go?
I want my teeth to clean.
My arm is stuck in the wall. Be a good boy for your dad.
I'm tired. I'm tired, bro. This kid can't stop. Oh shit! What the fuck?
Everybody follow.
Oh, he's right there, bro. He's right there.
Oh, run. He's coming.
Follow me,
He's gonna come.
monkeys.
He's nutting. He's nutting.
bro,
He's
you
run,
too slow.
run.
I hope you know that
Run,
very
run.
nice.
You can't get me. Oh, he's right there, bro. He's right there.
Go. Come on. No.
What do you mean, go?
You're cheating. You're
Bro, I swear,
cheating.
Blue's right behind me.
You tipsy.
I'm done. Blue's too
Shut up,
scared,
black
bro.
boy.
Okay, that's fine.
Alright, well, guys, make sure to sub to Yabby. Okay, I'm coming. That'll be end for the video. Please like and subscribe. Actually, I don't even need more likes and subscribes. I already got 10. Wait, watch this, guys. Okay, hold up. By the way, go sub to Top G King, one of my friends' YouTubers. 18 subs. I forgot to sub to him. This is a video I was in. 24 some views, but yeah, hold up. Yeah, but this is my video right here. My account right here. So yeah, 9 subs, and by the way, you guys have like one more hour to participate in the giveaway. So yeah, see you guys. See you in the next video. Let's go.